So I wanted to preface this video, and I almost didn't make this video because I used the screwdriver in a wrong way here. You never want to use your screwdriver as leverage in a way that might dent or scratch the appliance. The goal is always to first do no harm, and you don't want to do what I did there. I was feeling the stress and the pressure, and it's good to stop for a minute and breathe and not let the stress or pressure have you do things the wrong way, because then you might need to do them all over again in the future. Again, the goal is first do no harm, so when you're working with appliances, it's better to figure out a different way to lift this up than to use the screwdriver or a tool as leverage. You got to think about the end goal. Okay, I got another fridge that has some dented doors we've got to move in. What I did is located a fridge that has the door handles the same way to make this much easier. And I just need to order the new doors, but what we can do is just get this up and up, loosen these two screws, and I got my drill, so I should use that, but it went pretty good. Could take out one screw or this. Get one up and off. There we go. And then for the fridge door, all we have to do is take this one out. Usually you'll have to kind of loosen this one up with a wrench. But we won't need to take anything else out. We'll just, because these are the same way, be able to just take this peel out. That's good. Just put this lever. Pop the peg up. We'll leave that here, and then I can take the door straight off. And now we've got to change it out. I'll bring the old one back, put it back in. That'll be that for the fridge. I'll turn it to off while we do it. Unless we want a little air conditioning while we work. Alright. I'll be right back. Okay, here's our new one. Get in, and the peg. And we'll go to the freezer drawer. Freezer door. Okay. So for the freezer door, all we're going to do is set it on the peg, lift up the top of the peg, rotate it over, tighten down the screws. And that'll be changing out the door.